Hello everyone, welcome to this place. I'm SA Shall Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Today I won't be showing you the heart. It's because we lost someone from our Bollywood industry. I'm sorry to take a pause a little bit. I know that this is a reading session, but we lost him, and he was a very, very beautiful actor, not just actor, but a human being. I've been watching him since years on the television, and his short name is SSR. I don't know what to say. It's just that rest in peace, and my condolences with the family and with him, and may he go through that pathway. It was not nice, it was not good to hear that. I was really upset throughout the day when I heard that, and I was lying on my bed in the noon time, and tears were rolling down, and I was thinking about why wish I don't have words to say, because these things cannot give you words to say or express anything. But I'm really sorry, and I really pray for him and his dear and near ones. There are energies we know, they may not know us, but that doesn't matter. We know, that's all. His name is Sushant Singh Rajput. And I just want to share this, that I don't want anyone to feel let down or feel that we are alone. Please, that's the message, is that don't let anyone be alone. If you know anyone around you, at least gather courage to be around them, to be with them in the times when they need you the most, putting aside anything that you had or you never had or whatever. If you know it, or you can grab some help or anything, just be around your loved ones and with everyone, okay? And while I was kind of like, even was not in the position to meditate, actually I was not even closing my eyes and all that, I was about to do like this, and the message came as if like, they don't, I don't know who don't, but they did not, or they don't. This is the message actually. I think that someone, these are general messages, so maybe someone who did something but they never wanted to do it, so they did not do it. So how it is connecting with energies, that depends upon your timelines, as I always say, because time is all illusion. It's just flowing, and it is giving us the pathway. This 2020 is literally very difficult for people around and energies around, and as a whole, like Earth planet, things are very difficult for surroundings and us humans as on this planet. Things have been difficult for us. The point over here is that when I started the reading in sorry, January 2020, I said the portals are opening up. And when I said that the portals are opening up, it actually, all types of portals are opening up. I hope that people who read about these things, excuse me the sounds, I'm sorry for the sounds. I hope that people who know about these portals and they talk about all these things, or something is opening and the cross is there and all that stuff, I feel like all sort of portals are opening, which is about even those portals that shouldn't have been. I mean, if that makes sense here, if I'm speaking the right sentence, I don't know what is happening. It's like some things got opened up, those were not allowed to. Make sense? They are now open. The energies and the powers that are meant to work for as a guardian or protection, I think they are looking forward to close those things, but I think that some things have already entered through those portals on our planet Earth. Now it is becoming difficult to send them. One of them is kind of like a pandemic in the form of like negative energy, something that started already, and it's kind of like feel like never ending, but we need to be together. So the message for this reading is, there is something that people need to accept, someone who is going through some troublesome mode right now, and the message was that they did not or they don't. So either they were not even aware about that something is going to happen or will happen, or it actually happened with them, whatever, and to any extremes it is. Someone was not aware that this thing is coming, okay? So I do feel they did not do it, or someone who is not aware, they don't know, they don't know. So the bottom energy is acceptance here, and the message over here is, acceptance means unconditional love. The angels remind you to accept everyone exactly as they are, without judging, blaming, or wanting to change them. I think people being, or energies being, going through some pressure, some stress, that you can't be like this, you have to change, or some under circumstances of pressure, people are trying to change, and the judgments being passed, the blaming session over here, which is not needed actually. It's not needed. And it's like, if you love someone, don't ask them to change. I mean, fine, we all come with problems and complexities, and nothing is perfect. The things are happening here. Someone went through big acceptance that I cannot change something. Someone was being blamed here. When you are totally accepting, you bear no malice or enmity towards anyone or anything. Harmlessness through acceptance is a high state of being, and this is a difficult quality for humans to embrace, for it is a divine quality. Nevertheless, the angels are drawing it to your attention now. You are also asked to accept yourself. When you truly do so, you feel centered and confident, and your divine self is revealed. Well, that is the message written, but I'm thinking over here about the acceptance. Something is very difficult to accept, to stay in. And there is one deck by Sylvia Browne. This deck, I just kept it. I was not about to use it, but the bottom card is accepting death, and this female energy is looking out, like something she is accepting, as in like regardless of the gender. But accepting death is a transition. To some points this may be real. I'm telling you, things been happening around us. It's like difficult to accept that this happened, or it is happening, or what we should do. Death is only the passing from this dimension to another. And when I started talking about, I talked about portals, dimensions, and someone who is passing through. The place where we all were created. Take a few moments to search for the beauty we all remember from that dimension, for we will soon be there again. I mean, people who went through that, they will somehow be returning in other form. This is connected karma. I feel like they're coming back. Someone's return. Now it can be symbolic of form, or the soul is going to return, taking birth, if they really want. The card that flipped out is of Archangel Uriel, and Archangel Uriel works on the ruby ray, which is made up of purple and gold. It is the ray of wisdom and spirituality. You are blessed to attract this angel card, for he will bring you serenity, love, tranquility, and peace. You in your turn are invited to spread these beautiful qualities to others. Connecting with Archangel Uriel will enable you to aspire to oneness with all humanity. This is a high state of grace which will bring you freedom and joy. Visualize yourself in a purple and golden cloak and invoke Archangel Uriel's help to raise your consciousness, which could stop some energies from doing some things in life, but they end up doing it. Just give me a second. Okay, so now we are going to start your reading with this Rider-Waite, and I have this message that when I started the reading, I said that I'm sorry for that. I'm a little bit just saddened because of what happened. So there is something that they did not do it. Whatever is happening in your life, possible this is you, or they never wanted to do it, or they don't want to leave you. Someone who doesn't want to leave you, or they don't, but they had to. So now this can be in symbolical form or real form, like connected with the death, transition, transformation, or really leaving from this dimension to the other dimension. Something happened. I see here 6 months of something that was passing through, and they just transitioned, kind of like they moved. They changed their form and they crossed. Now here I see, like, with the 6 of Swords energy, there is also someone who is insisting on moving, or they want to. But remember, whosoever is doing this sort of thing, it's someone is along with you, or something that you are about to leave. It's the family, it's a child or children in that way. Something that you are going to leave in order to start something. Possible someone is realizing they don't love me, but when they don't love you, means it is time to move on with the journey. It's time to sail. It's time to take this voyage, and which is a difficult task, but you need to see forward. Okay, for some cases it's going to be a freezing season wherein it is difficult to let go of whatever happened in last 6 months, but something new is also calling you. Kind of like this whole reading today is revolving around this season of portals and dimensions, and we should do it or should not do it. Okay, I also see here someone doesn't want you to leave, like they never wanted to. Someone over here is stressed. 9 of Swords. This is also I'm telling you, if you know someone, please look out for them who are going through anxiety or depression or something. I see here energy traveling to them. I don't know what is happening in your life because these are general readings. But I still want to say that if there is someone who needs you or is in the need, go to them, talk to them. This card is giving me the message, maybe they are saying that I don't want to, but they will talk to you. Dial the number. I'm picking here, dial the number. I see here dialing the number. Someone is calling you. Okay. Someone is stopping themselves to say that they don't need you or they don't want anyone around. Okay. Something is breaking, which is about a 9 of Pentacles. I mean the release over here, or to become free from something, or ending the relationship here, or howsoever what is going here actually in your life. It is like someone will not be able to leave this, whatever it is. Okay, for some time to come, you have to stay in whatever you are. It's the move is like the energy is becoming here disturbed. That's what I see. I mean, someone over here is not ready to commit fully, or not ready to leave fully, or you won't be able to leave fully. I mean, that kind of energy, which is like unknown territory. There might be someone in front of you, as in general, who is, you are not aware whether they are ready to commit, if they are not, like they're single, or someone who is giving you confused signals, or possible you are trying to fetch someone, in that case like their attention or something, who is away from you, but your communication is going in one flow. I mean, you're the one sending messages, you're the one sending or calling. I said so, calling, just to figure out or just to find out what is happening. Someone is or will be late, they don't. I mean, someone was not even aware and they end up having the relationship here, kind of like the commitment. They just committed and someone moved. The Hanged Man is not here erect, it's reversed. Someone's gut feeling was saying something. I see here someone moved and they left a lot of things behind. Their wealth, their place, their home, their status, everything behind. They never, like, it just struck their mind, something struck their mind and they took the decision here. Whatever kind of decision it is, but they did it. The energy who cannot wait, or who couldn't wait, or they don't want to wait. Possibly you're dealing with someone who is just saying that I cannot wait, I don't want to wait. Look, these readings can go to any extent because these are universal, these are general readings. We are picking up the energies around the globe, and because these are for all the signs here, sometimes I feel like this reading does involve even beautiful little birds and not just human energies. I feel like this is from dimensions, it is for animals, it is for everyone around, because we are talking about energies. This could be about your pet even. You're getting King of Cups. I see here someone is watching you. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or someone as in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is listening to this reading. Someone who is watching the actions that the person possible you're dealing is looking at you the way you act, the way you don't want to be in, the way you don't want to stay in, the way you are so awakened now that you know what to do, or someone who is realizing when the move is done. Okay, so maybe this is the energy you're going to deal. Some of you might be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius dealing with or listening. I see here someone wants to talk to you and they won't be able to actually wait. That's what I see. They won't be able to wait. I just want to shuffle this little deck. Who talks with us so much when we are in need? Actually, it makes sense. Yes, of course. There is someone who wants to talk. They might make up their mind to talk to you. This is about Page of Cups. This is about offering or text message or email or call, or maybe the dialing. Maybe they want to reach out to you with whatever source it is. Someone who wants to know that what you are doing and how you are. Are you still single, or are you mingled, or what do you think about them? Still do you think about them? Okay, that kind of confused energy I see. But this is also very clear that the energy, you or the other person, you never asked them to wait. Kind of like it was very clear right from the startup. I see here the move on energy. I mean, someone made things very clear with the sorry, someone just flipped and said, I never said this to you, I never did the commitment, I never did it, I was always out of this. Someone was always out of this. I mean, with the World card, they did close the chapter. I mean, they were like, I was done, I am done. I never said that. But this King of Cups energy possible is dealing with the High Priestess kind of vibe, regardless of the gender here. High Priestess, there is a lot that you need to know about the situation. There is also something that someone will come to talk to you. It's an unknown territory, or at least full of intuitive power that someone is looking forward. A person who is coming with emotions but is unaware about what this person feels. Okay, there's going to be something that's going to happen as in coming. You can stretch it to 6 months as well, literally, because this is timeless. There might be something happening around the corner wherein the person will contact you and they would love to know, are you still single or are you married? They would love to talk to you about all those concepts, emotionals. I'm getting that message of emotional blur. But I also see here they might end up saying that they don't. They never said that. They were about to come. They had some things. They got fed, they were puzzled with their own life. They took a break here, and all those talks, like blur talks. When you did the closure of the chapter, here you go. The signs are there: Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio, Leo as well. Apart from Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, please, if you people are in marriages and you are making a way out or thinking of making a way out because you are getting into separation or divorce or whatever you are about to do, remember where you're coming from. Because if you are making this thing or putting out this thing, if you have some immature energy around you, your children or a child, they're watching you. And when they're watching you, maybe they're not even ready to accept what you are actually talking to them. I mean, someone is in front and talking to them and saying them this, they're like, they are having a bad that blueprint, I mean, of something. This is not what they want to see. What's in beyond this? Sorry, you're getting Knight of Pentacles energy. In your future, there's going to be something that you're going to pick up. Slow and steady, but going to pick up. Your emotions, whatever you are closing here, whatever you are not accepting here, whatever you are moving away from or on from. Starting the work or starting some relationship or some study or whatever. This is going to be personal. I see here you're going to be very, very private about whatever you're going to be doing here. There are energies, or there is one particular energy after you for your pentacle, for your property, for your wealth, or for your position. Remember that. I also see some energy looking forward to you for some help. Could be financial as well. What's this move on for? I asked that what is the Six of Swords is for? Is for a one. Someone is looking for property, or buying home, or move in, or new relationship, or new job, organization. But this is about the stability someone is seeking. This is also about new plan of marriage or love, or they're looking forward to something. It's like if I'll move, I'll have a happy thing with that new person. How do you know that? How do you know that? What will happen? What will happen? The Magician. Let's just get to this. I want to say that these general readings, these are kind of like daily vibes, timeless, but these are all for all the signs, which means that you need not to stick to only one sign like Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo. And I did get a good response in this. I do want you to join this journey actually and just take on this. Okay, with the Magician, this is someone who can contact you as a manipulator. One thing, someone who might be having all the sources to contact you, but what you are going to do. Someone who is having your number, or someone is planning on manifesting something with you. This is something, someone who might be feeling that you'll get pleased or convinced for something. Maybe this is a replay of something as well. Eight of Cups. It's kind of like emotional detachment that's already been done, but someone might end up contacting you again. Okay, someone walked away, want to come back, or someone is interested in knowing what's happening in your life. So this could be the U-turn. If someone is interested, kind of like a magician, someone who will try. Remember that. Okay, I said, so someone will try to collaborate here with the Three of Pentacles, but this is also the collaboration as in like what possible. You are kind of like a magician trying to tell energies in front of you what is as above so below energies. Okay, now here I see future work, pick up energy. Obviously what will happen, you will have the sources, you will have, or you will get back in contact with old contacts like of work and all, and this is going to bring something back. But remember, there is one particular energy who may act as a trickster. There is someone who is looking forward to contact you for your pentacle. I said so. Take care and bye. See you soon.